Hey there, it's Marty Fraser, the bearded realtor from Bosley Real Estate. Today, I'm showcasing my next listing here at 663 Governors Road East in Paris. This great century red brick home was built in 1890, is on a 2-acre lot, has a workshop and an in-ground pool. Let's go in and have a look around. The covered front porch has some newly wrapped columns. It's the perfect place to sit back and relax. You'll likely enter the home from the east side, where we have this mudroom area and this massive chalkboard to jot down your family notes. The family room is bright, spacious, has this wood-burning fireplace and luxury vinyl plank flooring. On the west side of the main floor, we have this combination laundry room, bathroom with heated floors. The kitchen area is open to the large dining room that has hardwood floors. We have this massive peninsula, double sink, backsplash, and plenty of cabinetry. At the front of the home, we have this separate living room area that has hardwood floors. At the upper level of the home, we have 3 good-sized bedrooms, all with hardwood floors. The primary bedroom has this walk-in closet or dressing room that was formerly the 4th bedroom. It's rare for a century home to have usable finished living space in the basement. Here we have this rec room with gas fireplace and 2 staircases, one leading to the dining room and the other back to the mudroom. Are you a handyman, a trade, or maybe have a contracting business? Then step into your massive 40 by 27 workshop with 200 amp panel and wood stove. At the side of the home, we have this double-wide garage measuring 20 by 30 feet, so it is deep. Plus, we have this circular driveway that can handle anywhere from another 6 to 10 vehicles. If you want a bit more action than the front porch, venture over to the west side of the property, where we have this in-ground pool, another covered porch, plus this deck space. At the back of the property, we have this open greenhouse. The property was formerly a tomato greenhouse operation. Now, this building is perfect for covered storage. According to Google Maps, 663 Governors Road East in Paris is just 2 minutes to the closest Tim Hortons, also 2 minutes to the closest grocery store, 4 minutes to the Sillaps Community Center, 5 minutes to Stillwater's restaurant overlooking the Grand River, and 9 minutes to the Paris Fairground. Wasn't that a spectacular home? We have a century brick home with 2 fireplaces, in-ground pool, covered front porch, double car garage, massive workshop, all on 2 acres. Are you interested in this home? Please call me to set up an appointment. I'd love to meet you in person, shake your hand, and bring you through this great home.